Hello everybody, welcome to the OneCNC tutorial on plunge roughing. As you can see on the screen, I've got myself a model laid in position, and what I'm going to do is open the NC manager. I know it's open there, but I'll just open it again, lock it in position, and what I'm going to do is create model toolpath, select plane A and Z level, and the option I'm going to select is plunge roughing. And what this is going to do is it's going to rough it out, but like in a drilling operation. So you could have a slot drill in there, or a drill, whichever you wanted, and all it's going to do is just go down, plunge, step over distance, and plunge down again, step over, plunge down again, step over, and so on, all the way around the 3D form. So we'll select plunge roughing, select OK. What I'll do is pick myself a tool. So I'm going to pick myself a 12mm M mill, 12mm. Let's go down, accept. Tool number 1, spindle speed 2000, plunging 200. Select next. And the first thing it's going to ask me for is my rapid plane and my initial plane and the retract plane. So I'm going to I'll put my rapid plane at 10, initial plane I'll just put that at 2, and I'll put the retract plane to where I want it to come back to, 1. Select next. I'm just going to do a standard. You can peck it, you can depole it if you want, but we'll keep it, I'll just put it as a standard. Select next, and this is where we're doing the plunge method. Whether we're doing manual or conventional, we're doing manual at the moment. And the step over, well, I'm using a 12mm cutter, so I'll step over half of it and step over half again. So that's my X step over and my Y step over. Decide what I'm leaving on for finishing. I could be leaving a milli on there, and I'll bring the tolerance back because we're only roughing out at the moment. Select next, extents box, normal, next, click on there, show preview. What I'll do is I'll put that at 0, top of the job, 1, and select finish, and you can see it's created that toolpath on there. So right click, simulate. I'm going to pick a boundary, minus 48, select OK. This is the boundary, right click, and as you can see it's starting to plunge straight in, over, and then plunge again using 50% of the tool. Can you see it? Let's just speed it up a little bit. And then stepping back the other way. Speed it up to default speed, and you can see where it's picking up the form. Step over again, and stepping over again. And you can see it's roughing out around the detail. So we'll let it finish it. Okay, you can see it's plunge roughed out that. So if I go into there and just edit the operation, select next, 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 and I could put 3 there by 3. Select next, next, finished. Right click, simulate, select OK, left click, right click, and you can see you've got a finer step over as you're going around your form. you can still section through it and everything you wanted to do. Just turn that sectioning off, and you can see we've plunge roughed that out now. So if you want to do plunge roughing in OneCNC, that's how we do it. Hopefully that'll help you get started, and thank you for watching.